Hi, it's Nick from Jordanbikes. How are you doing? Today on the dyno we are remapping a H2SX. This is the supercharged version. Now, a lot of tuning houses in the country have been trying to remap these and having absolute nightmares. They're hard to work on anyway. If you want yours mapping, you know where to come. Let's show you what we've achieved. It's been a bit of a pain to do. Josh has spent a lot of time on it, but you've got some fabulous results.
So when we first started mapping this, just as a standard bike, came in obviously with a cat and the exhaust on it, 179.6, which is the red line as you can see. Fueling really bad, really lean mid-range and bottom end. As you can see, the graph's not too smooth. These are the restrictions in the ECU as you can see. So now with a full ECU remap, we have now got 214.7, so just short of a 35 horsepower increase, which is absolutely massive. Torque wise, we've got another 7 foot-pounds of torque. So yeah, it'd be night and day the difference for the customer. Should be 10 times better. We've sorted the fueling out. There's been a lot of ignition work in this to get rid of all the restrictions and stuff. We've mapped his throttle to get rid of that snatchiness, and it accelerates so much smoother now, a lot harder, and that is what the customer wanted. We've taken off his lambda sensor, that's unplugged, disconnected, and yeah, come out with an outcome like that, so it should be absolutely brilliant for the new customer. So if you want yours doing, please give us a call.
214.71 brake horsepower.
That is at the rear wheel as well.
It is. When you realize that, many poos will come out.